Most people believe this. If I work hard, stay loyal, and improve my skills, I'll be financially secure. That belief used to be true. Today, it's quietly breaking. Not because people became lazy, not because they stopped trying, but because the system around work changed, and most people didn't notice. In this video, I won't motivate you, I won't sell you shortcuts. I'll explain why effort alone stopped being enough, and what actually matters now. Section 1. Expose the old rule. For most of modern history, the rules were simple. You worked, you earned, you saved, you moved up. One income could support a family. One job could last decades. This wasn't luck, it was structure. Key point. Companies grew slower, costs grew slower, productivity gains went back to workers. Hard work didn't guarantee wealth, but it guaranteed stability. Now here's the uncomfortable question. If the rule worked for decades, why does it feel broken now? Section 2. What actually changed? The biggest mistake people make is blaming themselves. I should work harder. I should learn more skills. I should hustle more. But effort didn't disappear, the reward system did. 3 quiet changes happened. 1. Productivity stopped paying workers. Workers produced more than ever, but wages barely moved. The extra value didn't vanish, it went elsewhere. 2. Costs moved faster than income. Housing, education, healthcare. These aren't lifestyle upgrades, they were necessities. 3. Jobs became expenses, not investments. Companies used to train people, now they replace them. None of this shows up on your payslip, but it controls your future. Section 3. Why work harder fails now. Here's the hard truth. You can work harder inside a bad system and still fall behind. Imagine running faster on a treadmill, you're exhausted. Promotions add responsibility faster than pay. Loyalty lowers leverage, not increases it. Hard work still matters, but it's no longer the main variable. And that's the part no one tells you. Section 4. The real divide. The financial divide today is not hardworking versus lazy. It's leverage versus no leverage. Leverage means ownership instead of only income, systems instead of hours, skills that scale instead of effort that expires. This is why 2 people can work equally hard and end up in completely different places. One trades time, the other builds something that works without them. Section 5. What actually works now? This is where most videos start lying. They promise, just start a business, just invest, just escape the system. That's not realistic for everyone. So let's be precise. What actually improves outcomes? 1. Skill leverage. Skills that increase value without increasing hours. 2. Income diversification. Not side hustles for burnout, but income streams that reduce dependency. 3. Negotiation and mobility. Staying loyal feels safe, moving strategically pays more. None of this is fast, but it's real. Section 6. Reframe hard work. Hard work is not useless. It's just incomplete. Effort without direction drains you. Effort with leverage compounds. The mistake isn't working hard. The mistake is working hard in silence, without control. If hard work alone guaranteed wealth, millions of exhausted people would be rich. The world changed, the rules shifted. Seeing that clearly is not pessimism. It's the first step toward control. The question isn't, am I working hard enough? Or, am I working in a system that rewards me?